Hey folks, I have a really cool tenor guitar to show you today. This is number 9, sorry my eyes are bad, 978. All mahogany tenor guitar. It's based around the Regal, which is right back there. Yeah, this salvaged mahogany is all from that boatyard in Tacoma that Matt and I pulled that slab out of 4 years ago. Really old, beautiful mahogany. I wouldn't use a tropical wood like this unless I salvaged it. I don't buy new. And then mahogany neck. And then we've got some curly walnut for the rest of the instrument. A local tree to me here. The binding, the bridge, the fretboard, the head plate, the stripe down the neck, everything else is walnut. So yeah, I really like it. It's got a real good, loud, punchy sound. And yeah, these this instrument has the low tuning. Usually it would be G, D, A, E. This person tunes at G, D, A, D. Doesn't matter, it's pretty much the same thing. This low G is the note that I didn't think this little body could support, but we keep doing it and it keeps working out. And what I've noticed about these tenor guitars is they really change tone depending where you pick it. You know, close to the bridge, it almost sounds like a resonator guitar. And down here, it's real soft and sweet. Pardon me. Very long sustain on this instrument. So this one's got a K&K pickup. It's got yeah, steel strings, geared tuners, bone nut and saddle. I think it turned out great. So that's 978 ready to go. Cheers.